Hello and welcome to this Jest tutorial video. My name is Kundan and I am here to guide you through the world of testing with Jest. Jest can be used in a variety of projects that are built with JavaScript, including React applications, Node.js applications, TypeScript, Angular, Vue, and much more. In general, Jest can be used in any project that requires testing of JavaScript code, whether it's a small script or a large complex application. The versatility of Jest makes it a popular choice for many developers and organizations. I am going to tell you step by step guide on how to install Jest. Start by setting up a new project directory for your test code. You can do this by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Like first of all, we need to create our project folder. Then we just go inside that and then we start with npm init and -y. npm install --save dev jest. So this command is to install our jest dependency on our dev dependencies as a dev dependencies. So we can use either npm or yarn.